Hello friends, hope you are doing great. So today I will discuss about CVG portfolio. What is there actually? So I will be taking the major things today that we discussed here. So today we'll discuss about that CVG portfolio key highlight explanation, and along with this I will be explaining you that what is CVG, key highlights explained related to CVG, and then I will be explaining market opportunity, where is the market, and then I will be explaining plant configuration, key highlights explanation related to plant configuration. Then I will go to technology flow, what is we are using for the technology highlights for the explanation related to the technical flow. Then next to it, financial highlights will be there, that is techno commercial. The subscription model, the highlights depends upon the subscription model, that what is the technology we are going to develop, Germany or indigenous technology to be there. And then we'll why to choose us, that we are in Energia, and Energia basically based in Hyderabad. Why you have to choose us, they will be telling you. So this is the small introduction part. Let me go ahead further. So friends, the core company is in Razia. So I will be explaining to you that initially, that before that, what we have, the technology we are using. Basically here, you can see this is the name of the company basically, and here is the biodigester. That all the system, the complete system is given here. So all right, let me go ahead. So this is Mr. Ronald Beckett, Mayor Juice Story, and this personality, these are the owner founder of the Planety. Basically the Energia has a partnership with it, so basically it is a Germany company. So let's go ahead. So overview, I'm going to tell here that this is the overview of the company. This, so see, this is the biodigester 1, biodigester 2, this is biodigester 3, 3 biodigester, these are the pre, and this is the main biodigester. So here is the shed, this is the test feedstock, here is the green field that we were looking for. So this is the project basically, that is has a technology. For example, if they have a 5 TPD project, that revenue generating will be more as per 7 TPD, or a 2 TPD cat will be extra. So like this, this is that we have the technology. So let me go ahead again. So if you haven't subscribed our channel, please share, subscribe and like, so that I will be making more videos basis on the same. So this is the passion of this bio CVG, the global active the CVG plant. We have the 25 years of experience, and laboratory, all that pioneer we are doing. So this is the company history, that we are not going deep into it. That is based in France and for France and Canada too. So we have plants in Germany for visit. So here also that headquarter is there in Germany, and the one is Brazil, and one is there particularly foundation Planetine to. So let me go ahead. So this is that planetary. So climate projection prospect value we do all. So we have a biogas biomethanation plant across the world. So the maximum here, you can see that 850 850 plant plus 150 is the methygenated plant that we have done across the globe. So let me go ahead. So worldwide, we have done basically in Canada, in America, in France, in Germany, and Brazil too. So too many plant. If you want to you want to visit us, we can plan your visit too. So this is the biogas partner we have: GNC, AB, biogas. So we have a professional organization in Germany, France, America, that is Canada, Brazil, and India too. So India has a partner of energy is a partner of it. So all in one, we are provider basically. So this is basically that biogas usage path. That for example, that biogas here, slurry and manure is coming to this way, coming and going. So recycle process is there, and here that biomethagenation, bio CNG. This is the system here total. That all we are recovering gas here. So all bioethane, CO2 is separating CO2 this side, and this side basically that power, we are generating power. So multitasking we are doing through one gas. This is that multitasking, that first we are making gas, and after that we are making power too. So let me go ahead. The headquarter basically, as I told you, that energy concept, CO2 renewable energy, we are extracting CO2 too. And here extreme biogas plant. Through the biogas, we are putting into that power grid. Here you can see that 50 kilowatt in the system. Through 50 kilowatt, for example, the gas is maximum we are getting. And here, for example, through the solar we are generating power too, which is 300 kilowatt. So this is indigenously internally we are doing through the technology of Germany. So let me go ahead. So here the full service form of the beginning, the consultancy we do, planning, permits from the beginning we do. So this company is basically globally based, so there is advantage of it that all the permission will be easily granted by the government. So this is the plant construction, training, we do everything, services do. So the core business that company is giving basically based upon biogas. So consultancy, planning, permits, it helps to take, and services, it offers all techno 100% EPC solution. Here all we do. So the biogas plant construction optimization on that is in build we do, plant design, approval, planning, all we do. So here the concept consultancy by, so all we do actually. So here that complete that details 450 plus project biological services that we have a lab setup here, including lab we have manure, energy, crops, industrial, different labs we have for the different things. So execution and supply is 80 plus projects, 100 plus technical container yearly output. That is dedication work in front of you. So this is the experience, innovation, and we are into the international footprints, planetary participating into the Europe, North America, South America, Asia, and also particularly for the innovation and technology, we are connected with the R&T, planetary, and also that we are connected with the sugar slaughterhouse for the converting gas. So many shareholder are connected with us for the same. So let me go ahead. So this is the waste through we are generating energy. So agriculture waste, food waste, and this all type of waste, we are converting it into the energy, to gas to power. So agriculture, that for example Napier grass, we are converting into this, also into the this gas to power. So here, I'm so that I'm the one of the Werthon Con said that I am very busy with my farm, so the biogas just has to work, and that work great. So this is the motto that of the company basically. So operation, which is basically in Germany, and output is 50 nm per cubic gas output will be there. That is a small plant in front of you. That only that output that we can show you. The Plenity has the plant in Germany, so that is going good. That is on Napier. If you want to visit, we can plan your visit too. So here, that substrate, the cattle feed, that is cattle slurry and manure. And straight, this will be approx 20 by 6 meter. Technical data. So if I will go deep into it, so I will explain here that output basically of the gas is max up to 135 nm per hour. And substrate, they are using it. Technical data is mentioned here. The two digester, that two digester 23 by 6, and one digester is 26 meter by 8. So these are the height, and this is the dia. So it depends upon the capacity, it varies. That is totally design. So tentatively I have taken it for your understanding. So this is the view of the plant in front of you. So food industry waste we are converting into the power. This is the one another plant that output is there. So this is that all. So thank you very much. If you need more information, you can connect me back. I will be making next part of it after your feedback. Thank you very much. And if you are still interested, you can call me. My number is 7009575 So I can give you an overall brief here. So here is also some of the pictures in front of you, that we have a plant in Canada. So this is organic recycle we are doing. So that operation is Canada. That is one plant that you can, you want to visit. We will be telling all the detail to you. You may visit. So diversity of the biogas completion concept of the community. So 10 kilometer total gas and heat pipeline is there, that is connected with the biogas plant, that is giving electricity and power to the particular area. Need not go for that CHP system, 250 kilowatt, 400 kilowatt, that is 250 kilowatt, different are there. So next to it, I will be sharing the vision up to 2025 Planet T Biogas Group. So biogas is a leading clean renewable energy source. Our aim, innovation, collaboration, sense of the responsibility character our work by tapping into the market, introducing innovation, and establishing biogas central pillar of the bioenergy. So our goal, energy self-sufficient, energy security, environmental protection too. So this is that introduction part. Thank you very much. Please, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe, share and like. Thank you.